to Airback Quarantine Kits. So today we're going to be making meatloaf. So we have 3 pounds of hamburger meat. So we're going to be cracking the eggs inside here. We're going to put this over here. Now we're going to put salt and pepper. Some minced garlic.
Minced garlic.
Minced garlic. Now ketchup. Scoop it all out. Now we're gonna put mustard.
Ground mustard.
Ground mustard. Now we're going to put some onions. Now we're going to mix it. Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to put the crackers and we're going to crumble them up and then put them all in there. And now we're going to mix it. And I'll be back after I'm done. Alright, I'm back and I got this all mixed up. Now we're just going to put it in the pan. We're going to put it all in there. We're going to squish it down and then make like a layer. Small layer in the middle. First we need to pat it all down. Now we're just going to do this where it doesn't touch the sides. Do it one more time. Now we're going to put the topping and it's ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and barbecue sauce. Put it.
Just pour the bowl up there, babe. Be faster for you.
Now we're going to use this spoon and spread it out. And I'll be back after this is done cooking. I'm back and look how good this looks. And so while we were cooking it, halfway through I put the topping on top of it, the ketchup and the barbecue sauce and Worcestershire sauce. And please don't judge me on my cutting skills. So we're going to cut right down the middle. And cut 1, put it on the plate. Try not to make a mess. And look how good this looks, and I love y'all, and I hope to see y'all again. And I gotta hurry up and go if I can eat this.